This is Dave taking a fridge down the stairs by himself.
With Pasha. With Pasha. No, like.
Okay, get that side. Get that side.
So what do you want to do? Push it? Tilt it back. Forward or backward? This one? Yeah. I don't want it falling on me. Oh my god!
Give me this shot.
Okay. Now what?
Sounds like I'm here. Well, I got the shot.
Are you okay? Not exactly. What happened? You know? God, help! She's not. Is your foot okay? Are you sure? Hold on, Dak. Jump down there. I need something to bandage this.
Yeah.
I got gauze. I think I have bandages. I have to go look.
Go grab some. That's pretty deep, dude.
Oh, dude, that was gnarly, dude. Oh, man.
Where is it?
That might. On this finger, right
Oh,
here.
let me see it. Hold on.
Great posture.
Wait, battle wounds, dude.
Look in the
Let's
mirror.
get a shot of the battle
You
wound.
can get it from the mirror.
Ooh. Let's see that finger.
Have a cigarette.
Squeeze it.
It's not bleeding anymore.
Oh, you fucking pussy. Oh, look at that wrist shot. That was a fridge on Dag's wrist
Hand
right
under the
there.
water.
Hold on, dude.
You're getting rubbing alcohol pretty soon.
No, I'm not.